you.
Okay, we are going now to knock on this guy's door. Of course we know him. It's Sammy. But okay, let's go.
No, can I not knock it?
Oh, I'm not knocking either.
No, then let's go back.
No, we are. We already started. We're not turning back. 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 Just ring the doorbell and go.
You go together with me up there.
Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go.
This one.
Keep running to the garage. Go to the garage. Go, 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 go.
You think they answered the door?
Okay.
They answered the door. They almost got ran over by a car.
I know.
Dang, do you think they answered?
I don't know. They didn't answer the door.
You didn't? We almost got ran over by a car. Don't show this to mommy.
I know.
Oh, you want to try again? No, why? You don't have to do this time. Use a stick or something. And
What?
use a stick or something and then bring it and hurry, and we have a better chance of getting away.
I told you a car wouldn't get in our way.
How did you know that?
It's called being psychic.
Go, Gloria. I didn't know it. Like, how many cars does he usually have?
A lot.
How many? I know. Oh,
Five.
I know. Gloria. Someone is gonna stay on this side, and then just in case if there's cars, and once you knock it, like go here, like behind the car, and I'll say to either come or not. That person will say to come or not. Do you want to? Oh, okay.
Hey, mailman. Oh.
Oh, seriously, what if do you know his mom barely?
Yeah.
But what if they see us doing that? We're gonna get like in trouble.
So we'll just remember the excuse, telling him to come over.
Yeah. We said we rang the doorbell, but no one answered, so yeah. And then once we tell them come over, we're gonna hide. Come on, ready?
I don't think anyone's home.
Oh, could you call him? Does he have a phone?
Yeah, but he never picks it up.
Really?
Mhm.
Text him.
He doesn't have a phone. He has a home phone. That's what I was talking about.
What if we text the home phone?
It'll say this person does not subscribe to SMS or messaging.
Oh, can we try again? Please, last time.
Fine. Let's go.
Opie, you have to go ring the doorbell this time. No.
I can't because I have a camera.
I already did it.
No. I'm in the streets trying to get someone out of his house, but I don't think...
Who's that gang?
It's a gang! It's a gang! It's a gang! It's a gang! It's a gang!
Is it the gang?
No.
He's the gang.
We're running. A gang of cyclists. The gang.
Gang of bikers. I'm so scared.
We're like, gang's coming.
I'm scared. I made up the word gang. You check that way if there's any cars.
Our journey past the other side of the sidewalk.
No, you guys have to come with me up the stairs. I'm scared. No, you guys. I'd be the first one to escape because last time I was the last one. Oh, that means I'm the last one. If whoever rings, it has to take the risk. Well, I did.
Let's go.
No, I'm scared.
Go.
No.
Go.
Who said we're looking for Samuel? Wait, is his name Samuel or Samuel?
Sammy, same thing. Sam, even.
Okay, you go up there. We'll go halfway the stairs. Hurry up. That way.
Oh, yeah.
Wait, maybe that's not the doorbell. Who answered the phone? They like gang. That's fun. I don't think there's anyone home. Then how do I have to have so many cars?
They have all heck of cars. Like, are all broken and stuff.
Oh, yeah, probably their home. No, I think that one wasn't the doorbell. We could try knocking, but that'd be scary. Because you have to actually go like that. I might have to go to the bathroom. Can someone come with me? Oh, fine. Can you guys see if there was anywhere? Okay. This time it's Gloria doing it since we all failed. Wait, okay, we're scared of cars. We're scared of kidnappers.
Yeah.
But the mailman's still there. Where's he? He was on the side all the way there. Wait, so me and Emily, see the mailman's over there. Wait, so yeah, and he's gonna cross over there, so let's not do it yet. And then so me and interview what we're doing. Wait, so me and Emily has already knocked and rang the doorbell.
Yeah, it was hard.
Yeah, it was really scary. So then now it's time for Gloria. Time for Gloria to do it.
Girl.
And because we thought it wasn't fair, and we also wanted to try again. The mailman's heading.
Let's run.
No.
The mailman is our blocking us.
I can't you see the mailman?
Sammy's guard.
Oh, that's not fair. So, interviewing, and so this girl is up next to ring the doorbell.
Hey, I did too.
I know, wow, big close up of your nose. So and Emily
is me. No, I is this one. See, I.
Wait, so I and Emily, this one, Emily, and I. Okay, so Emily and I already rang the doorbell, and we're.
You got a pie?
I don't know. And then so now it's this girl's turn.
Huh?
I don't see him there anymore.
Pass it.
So now we're taking a break because the mailman.
Horrible ball.
We're taking a break and waiting for the mailman to be gone, and then.
Oh, you just chicken to stop it? Isn't that kind of hard?
And then later we're gonna go there again. So here's a little game for the break, and here's Emily.
Film that, baby.
Large it. That's all I can large it. It gets really blurry. That's all I can do. It gets really blurry. He blends into the cars. No, we can't. No, wait, don't touch it. No, we can't go there now because the boy's there. No,
I know how to make it clear.
No, I think you know that. I think that boy's were. Remember we were playing with Samuel with a tangerine fight? Yeah.
No, I'm in
He was the boy that was there.
I know how to make it
Clear. Wait, stop it first. Stop this video. Interview. Okay. So Gloria, we're gonna have it. Time for Gloria to do it soon. So Gloria's gonna ring the doorbell next. Bye. Gloria's gonna ring it next. Bye. Okay, so we're going to Samuel's house. This is Gloria's time.
Oh my God.
Stand back. Stand back. It's slowing down. Okay, let's go. Wow. Wait, Emily calls first. What time is it? Hey, I go in the middle since Emily calls first. Yeah. Run! Okay, we're not turning back. This time it's Gloria's turn because it wasn't fair. Quiet on the set. We're not giving up. Quiet on the set.
They were looking at us.
Run! Really? Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. I'm gonna get in trouble with somebody.
So Gloria has rang the doorbell now. It's all equal. Gloria, Emily, and I have rang the doorbell of Samuel's house. Too bad no one has opened the door.
I didn't mean like that.
No one opened the door, so it sucks. No one opened the door, and it was pretty much a failure, but it was fun. It's pretty funny. Car coming by. Yeah.
Scary God.
Okay, so thanks everyone for ringing the doorbell.
Police officer's car right next to
Oh my God! Hide!
I totally failure.
Okay, so
No, make this a ghost. Make this a ghost.
looks like a ghost. So we had failed. So sadly we have failed ringing Samuel's house, but it was fun. So please rate, comment, subscribe, whatever. Yeah. Actually I want you to do that, but just please. And thanks for watching. Bye.